Should you prefer SwiftUI or UIKit? Hello everyone, this is Mubashir and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding SwiftUI and UIKit. So if you don't know what is SwiftUI and what is UIKit, then here an iCard will be coming. Click that and check the previous video. Okay, so in that we have discussed what is SwiftUI and what is UIKit. Now, talking about which one to learn first, then the simplest and the direct answer would be either the one is okay. So if you are learning UIKit, go with it. If you are learning SwiftUI, go with it. But just don't get stick with it, right? So if you are learning UIKit, okay, master it, and also try to learn SwiftUI, know the fundamentals of SwiftUI. If you have mastered SwiftUI, then know how UIKit works, what are the fundamentals of it, what are the basics. Okay, so start with any one of these two things and also know how the other one works. Okay, see, because in software engineering you just don't work with one skill. Okay, so if you are a software engineer, you don't know, I don't know what on what technology I will be working tomorrow, on what technology I will be working day after tomorrow. Okay, so if I am a software engineer and I am working on iOS development today, there's no guarantee that I won't be learning backend or learning HTML CSS tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Okay, so software engineering is a place where daily trends will be changing, many things will come, many things will go. So we cannot like promise like if you have learned SwiftUI you will be a 100% great iOS developer, or if you learned UIKit you won't get any job. Okay, so there's nothing like that. To know this more clearly, let us see an example. Hey Mubashir, the feature we discussed earlier, there are some changes in it. Okay sir, what are the changes? The feature we discussed was in UIKit. I want you to implement that in SwiftUI. Okay, so not UIKit. Sir, but I only know SwiftUI. I cannot work on UIKit. What? You are an iOS developer and you should know both of these things. Come, meet me in my office. Sir. So what do you think? So this shouldn't be the way, right? So this is not only for this example, like in software engineering, in any field, you should be going on with the trend, right? But the main thing here to keep in mind is never learn two things at the same time. Okay, so you are learning UIKit and parallelly you are learning SwiftUI, then both will be smashed. So you cannot learn SwiftUI and you cannot learn UIKit at the same time, because see, when you're learning SwiftUI you'll be getting thoughts of UIKit in your mind, like okay, that time in the morning when I was practicing UIKit, this was the error, then how can I do with this, how can I deal with it, etc. When you are practicing UIKit you will get thoughts of SwiftUI. So never do two things at the same time and start with any one of it and just go with the flow, right? And coming to my opinion, so like many companies have their code bases in UIKit right now and they are gradually moving towards the SwiftUI. So until I join any company or I get a job, I think the code base which they have will be in SwiftUI. So I am like becoming some future ready type of thing, and that's why I've started with SwiftUI directly. And it's not like I don't know any UIKit things. So I know the basics of UIKit, like I know what is an outlet and what is view did load. So I know some of the foundational things of UIKit as well. And again, this is my opinion and you do not need to agree with me. If you think UIKit is great, yes it is, start with it and learn it. And if you think SwiftUI is great, start with it and learn it. So in this video we have discussed SwiftUI and UIKit. So if you may have noticed, this is not SwiftUI versus UIKit. This is what to prefer first. Should we learn SwiftUI first or UIKit first? See, at the end we need to know both the things and master any one of it, but we need to know both the things. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.